Have you ever wondered if you really need to spend over $40,000 to get a modern SUV packed with premium features? What if there was another option that delivers bold styling, advanced technology, impressive efficiency, and everyday practicality at a much more affordable price? Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Changan CS55 Plus 1.5L Premium, a compact SUV that's turning heads in global markets and proving that value doesn't have to mean compromise. But does it have what it takes to compete with the biggest names in the segment? Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this SUV deserves a place on your shopping list. Welcome back to FutureDrive, your destination for honest reviews and the latest updates on exciting new vehicles from around the world. If you enjoy discovering future models before they become mainstream, make sure you're subscribed, because we bring you detailed reviews designed to help you make smarter buying decisions. Let's begin with the first thing everyone notices: the exterior. The 2026 Changan CS55 Plus looks far more expensive than its price suggests. Instead of playing it safe, Changan has given this SUV a bold, modern appearance with sharp body lines, aggressive styling, and plenty of premium touches. The front end immediately grabs your attention. A large frameless grille blends seamlessly into slim LED headlights, creating a futuristic appearance that wouldn't look out of place on a luxury crossover. The daytime running lights are bright and distinctive, while the sculpted hood gives the SUV a confident road presence. Moving along the sides, you'll notice clean character lines, black wheel arch cladding, sporty side skirts, and attractive alloy wheels that give the vehicle a balanced, athletic stance. Flush-looking design elements and chrome accents help elevate the overall appearance without becoming flashy. At the rear, full-width LED taillights create a premium look, especially at night. The integrated roof spoiler, dual exhaust-style design, and muscular rear bumper complete a sporty package that appeals to younger buyers while still remaining practical enough for families. Overall, the CS55 Plus has one of the most stylish designs in the compact SUV segment. If first impressions matter to you, this SUV certainly delivers. Step inside, and the premium feeling continues. Changan has invested heavily in making the cabin feel modern, comfortable, and technology-focused. The dashboard features a clean horizontal layout with soft-touch materials in many areas, giving the interior a surprisingly upscale atmosphere. The leather-trimmed seats offer good comfort for both daily commuting and longer road trips. In front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, navigation information, fuel economy, and vehicle status with crisp graphics. The large central touchscreen handles most infotainment functions while maintaining a responsive interface that's easy to learn. Depending on market specifications, you'll find wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, Bluetooth connectivity, multiple USB ports, wireless phone charging, voice commands, and an impressive surround view camera system that makes parking much easier. The automatic climate control system keeps passengers comfortable, while rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom, considering the SUV's compact footprint. Storage space throughout the cabin is well thought out. Large door pockets, cup holders, a spacious center console, and practical storage compartments make everyday use convenient. The cargo area is also competitive for this class. Whether you're loading groceries, sports equipment, or luggage for a weekend getaway, the CS55 Plus offers enough versatility for most families. Now let's talk about what powers this SUV. Under the hood is a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine, producing approximately 185 horsepower, around 221 pound-feet of torque, depending on market specifications. Power is delivered through a smooth 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Around town, the engine feels responsive thanks to the turbocharger, providing quick acceleration from traffic lights and confident merging onto highways. The dual-clutch transmission shifts quickly and helps keep the engine in its optimal power range. While this isn't a performance SUV designed for racing, it offers more than enough power for daily driving, highway cruising, and family road trips. The steering is light and predictable, making city driving easy, while the suspension strikes a comfortable balance between ride quality and handling. It absorbs bumps reasonably well without feeling overly soft. Road noise is generally well controlled, and the cabin remains quiet at highway speeds, making longer journeys more relaxing. Most versions feature front-wheel drive, which is perfectly adequate for urban drivers and helps improve fuel efficiency. If you're looking for serious off-road capability, this isn't the SUV for you, but for paved roads and light adventures, it performs confidently. Speaking of efficiency, fuel economy is another strong selling point. Real-world consumption varies depending on driving style, traffic conditions, and local specifications, but many drivers can expect around 30 to 35 miles per gallon on combined driving. Now let's summarize the biggest strengths. The exterior styling looks modern and premium. The interior feels more expensive than expected. The turbocharged engine delivers strong, everyday performance. Fuel economy is competitive. The technology package is impressive. Safety features are generous for the segment. Ride comfort makes it an excellent daily commuter. And perhaps most importantly, it offers outstanding value compared to many established rivals. Of course, no vehicle is perfect. Brand recognition remains limited outside certain global markets. Long-term resale value is still uncertain compared to Japanese or Korean competitors. Some physical controls have been replaced by touchscreen functions, which may not appeal to everyone. Availability of dealerships and service centers depends heavily on your country. And while the dual-clutch transmission performs well overall, some drivers may notice slight hesitation during very slow stop-and-go traffic. So how does it compare with its biggest competitors? Against the Toyota Corolla Cross, the Changan offers more technology and a bolder design, while Toyota still maintains the advantage in long-term reliability and resale value. Compared with the Honda HR-V, the CS55 Plus delivers noticeably stronger turbocharged performance and a more futuristic interior. However, Honda continues to benefit from its reputation for durability. When placed beside the Hyundai Tucson and Kia Sportage, the Changan competes surprisingly well in styling, equipment, and overall value, although the Korean brands still enjoy larger dealer networks and stronger after-sales support in many markets. Compared with the Mazda CX-5, the Changan focuses more on technology and affordability, while Mazda remains the better choice for drivers who prioritize sporty handling and premium refinement. So, should you buy the 2026 Changan CS55 Plus? If you're searching for a stylish compact SUV with impressive technology, strong performance, excellent fuel economy, and outstanding value for money, at the end of the day, the 2026 Changan CS55 Plus proves that today's automotive market is becoming more competitive than ever. Buyers now have more choices, more technology, and better value than ever before. And that's good news for everyone. Thanks for watching FutureDrive. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the newest cars arriving from around the world, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. We'd also love to hear your opinion in the comments. Would you choose the 2026 Changan CS55 Plus over the Toyota Corolla Cross, Hyundai HR-V, Hyundai Tucson, or Kia Sportage? Let us know your pick, and we'll see you in the next FutureDrive review.